In this video, we will learn common phrases that Americans use daily. Let's start.
In the classroom.
Where is your classroom?
It is in our school.
What is on your desk?
A book is on it.
Who is your teacher?
Miss Lee is my teacher.
What do you have?
I have a pencil.
Where is your pen?
It is in my bag.
What do you read?
I read English words.
Who sits near you?
My friend sits near.
What is on the board?
Some words are there.
Where do you write?
I write on the paper.
What do you learn?
I learn many things.
Who helps you in class?
My teacher helps me.
Where is your bag?
My bag is beside me.
What do you listen to?
I listen to the teacher.
Who cleans the board?
The student cleans it.
What color is your desk?
It is brown and nice.
Where do you sit?
I sit in the front.
What do you hold?
I hold my notebook.
Who shares with you?
My deskmate shares.
What makes you happy?
This class makes me happy.
Where do you look?
I look at the teacher. After school.
What time is school over?
School ends at 4.
Where do you go now?
I go back home.
Who walks with you?
My classmate walks with me.
How is your day today?
My day is great.
What do you take home?
I take my school bag.
Where is your home?
My home is near here.
Who waits for you?
My mom waits for me.
What do you do first?
I wash my hands first.
How do you feel now?
I feel a bit tired.
What do you drink?
I drink some warm water.
Where is your homework?
It is in my bag.
What do you eat?
I eat a small snack.
Who helps you study?
My sister helps me.
How is your homework?
My homework is easy.
What do you play later?
I play simple games.
Where do you play?
I play in the yard.
Who is your good friend?
Tom is my good friend.
What makes you happy?
Nice games make me happy.
How is the weather now?
The weather is fine.
What do you do next?
I read a short story. Talking with friends.
How are you today?
I am fine today.
What is your name?
My name is Linda.
Where are you from?
I am from Canada.
How old are you?
I am 20 years old.
What is your hobby?
I like drawing very much.
Where is your home?
My home is near here.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Who is your good friend?
You are my good friend.
What do you like to eat?
I like to eat apples.
How is the weather today?
The weather is sunny.
What do you like to play?
I like to play ball.
Where do you play games?
I play in the park.
What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is dog.
How do you go to school?
I walk to school.
What do you drink?
I drink some milk.
Where is your school?
My school is big.
What do you learn?
I learn English.
Who is your teacher?
Miss Wang is my teacher.
What makes you happy?
Friends make me happy.
How is your day?
My day is wonderful. Using a computer.
What is this?
It is a computer.
Where is your computer?
It is on the desk.
Who uses the computer?
I use the computer.
How do you use it?
I use it carefully.
What do you type?
I type simple words.
When do you use it?
I use it in the afternoon.
Which key do you press?
I press this key.
What do you watch?
I watch short videos.
How is the computer?
It is fast and good.
Where is the mouse?
It is near my hand.
What do you learn?
I learn new things.
Who teaches you?
My brother teaches me.
When do you stop?
I stop at 8.
Which page is open?
This page is open.
What do you listen to?
I listen to English.
How is the screen?
The screen is bright.
Where is the cable?
It is behind the desk.
What do you write?
I write short notes.
Who uses it with you?
My friend uses it.
How do you feel?
I feel happy and calm. Making a phone call.
Who are you calling?
I I am calling my friend.
What is your phone?
It is a small phone.
Where is your phone?
It is in my hand.
How is your voice?
My voice is clear.
When do you call?
I call in the evening.
Which number do you dial?
I dial this number.
What do you say first?
I say hello first.
Who is on the line?
My friend is on the line.
How is the signal?
The signal is strong.
Where do you call from?
I call from my room.
What do you talk about?
I talk about my day.
When do you end the call?
I end it soon.
Which phone do you use?
I use my own phone.
How do you hold it?
I hold it with care.
What do you hear?
I hear your voice.
Who gives you the number?
My friend gives it.
Where do you keep your phone?
I keep it in my bag.
When is your phone free?
It is free now.
What makes you smile?
Your call makes me smile.
How do you say goodbye?
I say goodbye softly.